Hello, dear students. Welcome to the English lesson. I am Papiva Jamal from University of Central Asia. So today's topic is paragraph writing. So we'll learn how to write a simple paragraph in English. So let me share with you the learning outcomes of the lesson. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify components of a paragraph, to analyze paragraphs focusing on the main idea, details, and the concluding sentence, and you'll be able to write a paragraph applying all rules. So to start with, let me give you a task. I hope you have prepared your copies and pen, right? So you have to pause video lesson, and before explaining what's paragraph, before giving instructions how you can write a paragraph, I'll give you a task. So you have to write a paragraph on any topic you want. It can be a very short, simple paragraph. So pause video, take your time and write it. Once you have finished, keep your paragraph aside, keep your copybook aside, we'll come back to it, okay? So let's go ahead. What is a paragraph? Paragraph is a short part of a text which contains from 5 to 10 sentences, and it deals with one idea which is stated at the beginning, then developed with examples and details. That one idea is developed with examples and details. Okay, now paragraph follows the sandwich method. What is sandwich method? You'll understand a bit later. So let's first discuss the components of a paragraph. So first component is topic sentence. It is a sentence that expresses the main idea of the paragraph. So the first sentence is a topic sentence. It presents main idea. Then it follows by supporting sentences with details. They are specific, relevant, and appropriate information that explain the main idea in depth. This main idea is stated at the beginning. So now you have to explore it. You have to describe it more, give more information about the main idea. Then at the end, you have to write a sentence called concluding sentence. It's a sentence that summarizes the main idea of the paragraph. So main idea you have written as a topic sentence. So here at the end, you have to summarize so far what you have written. Or in other words, you can say that you are writing main idea, you are writing topic sentence in a different way. So how it's related to sandwich method? If you see the sandwich, as you know, on the top and at the bottom, there's bun, right? Bread. They are same. It's bun, it's bread. So its paragraph is also like this, like on top main idea and the concluding sentence, they are same. It's talking about main idea. And so in between there is supports, there's some stuff, yes, leaves, cheeses, etc. to support that sandwich. Here also, in paragraph also, topic sentence, main idea, at the end to summarize, but in between there should be information about the main idea, information developing main idea, information explaining main idea further. Okay, now we have a task. Task number 2. There is sandwich diagram, the sandwich paragraph diagram, and definitions for components of each component of a paragraph, which you discussed a bit earlier. So you have to draw a line between each definition and the correct part of the sandwich paragraph diagram. In other words, you have to match which one is topic sentence here. This is details. Which are the supporting sentence here and which is concluding sentence, right? So take your time and try to match. Okay, I think you've done it, right? If I am right, so let's do it. Which one is topic sentence? Sentence that express the main idea of the paragraph, of course. Yeah? So this is the main idea. Then we need specific more information about the main idea. It means they are supporting sentence, yes? Then after that, you have to summarize the main idea, which is concluding sentence, okay? So this is how it's matched. I hope yours is also same like that, okay? Now, let's go further. Now, next, here I'm sharing with you some samples of paragraph. 2 paragraphs are here. We have to read these 2 paragraphs. Take your time, pause your video if you need. Read and think of 2 paragraphs. Which one you think that it's a good paragraph, better than the other one? And which one you think is not good paragraph? But you have to think also why you think so. Okay, why you consider that this first one or second one, good one or bad one, right? Okay, pause video and read out and decide. Okay, let's discuss then. Okay, first, if you pay attention, okay, before that, okay, I think you have decided which one is good and bad, or which one is not good. Okay, let me give you. So, if you see, first paragraph is better than the second one. Second paragraph is not good paragraph. Now, as I told you before, that you have to prove why you think that's a good paragraph. Let's discuss here. So if you notice here, there's space before the paragraph. It means before the beginning of the first sentence of paragraph, we should indent. Indent means we have to give space, 5-letter space. Okay, each paragraph starts with the new sentence. When the new sentence starts with the giving some space with indent. Okay, first sentence of each paragraph has to be indented. Okay, here there is no. Okay, if you see next. Okay, next difference. First, let's find the topic sentence. The warm weather allows me to play outside. What is the idea here? The idea is that when it's warm weather, how I play. Okay, so it has to be developed further. Okay, now let's see how it has been developed. Okay, now I play under a sprinkler with my brother. It means in warm weather I play, and we run through the water and scream each time. Here is the supporting, and here I'm giving more details about playing sprinkler. And at night I play hide and seek with my friends, again playing outside during when it's warm weather. And I usually hide behind a big bush. So here I am giving detail for this sentence, okay? For the supporting sentence, it's giving more details. So all these sentences, 1, 2, 3, 4 sentences, yeah, of supporting sentence, all are related to the main idea, okay? So next one is last sentence. I love it when the weather is warm. This is concluding sentence. If you see concluding sentence, it's summarized whole paragraph that I love it because I play with my brother and I enjoy playing hide and seek when it's warm. So it's all summarizing. In other words, it's saying the main idea in different way. Warm weather allows me to play. It means I love it when it's warm. So the main idea is stated in a different way or summarized all what was written before. Okay, now let's see here. Here also the warm weather allows me to play outside, same idea, same topic sentence, but how it is developed, this main idea. I play on the sprinkler with my brother, okay, fine, when it's warm weather you play, it's related, fine, good. Sometimes I help my mother in the kitchen. Here new idea is coming up. First main idea was not about helping mother or doing some work in kitchen, but it was about playing outside when it's warm, right? So another new idea has come, but in paragraph, there should be only one idea. It has to be built around one idea, okay? After playing outside, I go to bed. Again, going to bed is coming. Yesterday when I was sleeping, I dreamt about my dog, which was playing with us outside. Okay, playing with outside, but it's not the main point here. The main point is dreaming, but the paragraph is not about our dream. Yeah? So this is off topic. There are how many? 1, 2, 3 sentences here are off topic, are not related to the main idea. So these supporting sentences are not good enough to support, to develop the main idea further. Okay? So let's see. These sentences are not related. Okay? Then let's see last one. Concluding sentence. Okay, fine. Concluding sentence. Okay. That is talking about warm weather. That is because of play. I enjoy. I love it. Okay. Concluding sentence. Okay. So this is how we analyzed paragraph. Okay. Now you have a task. Task 3. Again, more 2 paragraphs will be given. You have to analyze components of paragraphs and decide which one is better. Here are 2 paragraphs. You have to analyze as we did earlier. So have to find components. Where is topic sentence? Is it clear? Or supporting sentence? Are they related or are they developing for the main idea? And concluding sentence. Is concluding sentence really about the main idea, summarizing main idea or no? You have to write in your copy. Read both of them, pause video, take your time, read and write your analysis in your copybook. Okay? Once you've done with analysis, you can go ahead to task 4. Next task. Now they will be given paragraphs, 2 paragraphs, but without topic sentence. So you have to read the paragraph and write the topic sentence here. Let's read together. She works 6 hours a day. So she goes to office early in the morning and comes back quite late at night. Sometimes she even works on Saturdays. My aunt doesn't have much free time at all. Okay. For the first paragraph, okay, let me give you 2 options. 2 options are given, you have to choose one. My aunt is a good housewife and my aunt is a very busy person. Which one you think is appropriate for the paragraph? Which can be good topic sentence for the above paragraph? Of course, I think you've guessed, right? The second one. My aunt is a very busy person. It's not about housewife, how she's at home, what she's busy with at home, but she's about how she's busy at work, how she works in office, yeah, how she doesn't have time. So this would be good topic sentence for the paragraph. Okay, now, next paragraph without topic sentence again. They clean the air around us. On a hot day, they give us shade. We can use their wood to build our homes. Trees also help to keep the environment fresh. They provide us oxygen. Here, I won't give options for topic sentence. You have to write yourself, okay? Pause video lesson, take your time and write topic sentence, which is appropriate. What is the main idea developed in this paragraph? Make as a topic sentence, okay? Write in your copy. Once you've done, you can go further with the next task, task 5. Okay, now you have to go back to task 1. You remember that paragraph you wrote at the beginning of the lesson before introducing what's paragraph, how to write paragraph. So we have written a paragraph, yeah? So now you have to analyze your paragraph. Is your first sentence indented? You have to put tick mark, okay? Do you have a clear topic sentence? Have you developed a topic sentence with clear one main idea? And are your supporting sentence relevant to the topic sentence? Okay, all sentences, see all the sentence. And do you have a concluding sentence, which is summarized whole paragraph, which is giving a main idea stated in a different way, okay? Once you have analyzed, improve your paragraph if needed, okay? You rewrite the paragraph according to the rules we discussed, yeah, in your copy. Then once you've done, I'm giving lots of tasks because for writing, for improving, for you to become perfect for writing, we need lots of practice. Then you'll be good at writing. Okay, so these are the tasks we've done, yeah? Now let's sum up what we have discussed today. So how do you start the paragraph? You can write answer in your copybook or just speak it out. Yes, we have to start, every first sentence of paragraph should be indented, right? We have to give space, 5-letter space before the first sentence of paragraph. Then how we start with the topic sentence, which is the main idea. We have to state the main idea in the first sentence. Then how long is the paragraph? Okay, it's from 5 to 10 sentences around here. It can be 6, 7, so up to 5, 10 sentences you can write a paragraph. And how many ideas do you include? So do you include or are included in one paragraph? Of course, only one idea, only one idea have to be included in one paragraph, and that idea have to be developed around, okay? Then how do you conclude the paragraph? Of course, the question is given answer itself, it means concluding sentence. You have to conclude sentence, you have to summarize the main idea which was discussed, which was given at the beginning in the topic sentence, right? Okay, now I'll give you homework, again, for practicing writing, right? So the task is, using the paragraph structure you learned today, that's the sandwich method, you have to write a paragraph to answer the following question. What is the most important technological innovation in your life? So your first sentence should be stated which technological innovation is important in your life. Okay, then you should build further. You have 5 steps to follow for this homework. First one, read a paragraph evaluation rubric, assessment rubric. Teacher will assess your paragraph based on this rubric. If you look here, Their marks are the excellent, good, needs improvement. For topic sentence, the details mean supporting sentence and concluding sentence. If your topic sentence is interesting, original topic sentence, reflecting thought and insight, focused on one interesting main idea, you'll get excellent. And if it's good, topic sentence is presented poorly, it's not clear, okay? The main idea is not entirely clear. And if topic sentence is missing, it's invalid, completely not prepared topic sentence, so then it will be in needs improvement. So you read about all this. This here is all same because of that sentences. How many supporting sentences we have, details. So for each of them will be analyzed and assessed, and the concluding sentence. So first read this one, study, understand, and on the basis of that you start writing your paragraph. What mark you want. Take this as a guidance. What mark you want to get, so you can write accordingly. Yes. Next, you have to brainstorm your ideas, okay? So here in the middle, what you are doing, in the middle, for example, you are writing here, which technological innovation you're writing about, okay? Then whatever comes to your mind, just brainstorm your ideas. For example, we had a paragraph above about warm, playing outside when it's warm weather, right? If you're writing here playing outside, here I would say hide and seek, hiding behind the bush, or playing with water, sprinkling. So I love it. I could write. So whatever comes to your mind, just write it without ordering. Okay, it's very important. Then you have to use this sandwich diagram to organize your ideas first. So whatever ideas you have written in the second step, brainstorm, now organize it. You'll think that you'll say that, okay, this one might be my topic center, this is details, these details will support this one, so I'll keep this idea in my concluding sentence. Now you have to, whatever you have written in brainstorm, you have to analyze and try to put which one comes under topic, which one comes detail, which one comes concluding sentence. Okay, then step 3, now you have given your ideas, you have analyzed, now you will start writing your paragraph. Write your paragraph, then step 4, use 3 different color pens. Take 3 different color pens or pencils, and you have to underline or circle topic sentence, supporting sentence, and concluding sentence, each with different color, which we did before also, yeah? So if it's topic sentence, let's suppose red color, green color, whatever, so each supporting sentence another color, concluding sentence another color. Okay, then last is 5. What you have to do, send your paragraph to your teacher via WhatsApp or email, okay, taking picture, or if you're typing, email, and also send answers for tasks completed during the lesson. We had how many? 4, 5 tasks, yeah? So answers, what you have written in the copybook, send to your teacher. So the teacher sees your process of learning, how you learned, and to what extent you are able to write a paragraph, or what kind of more support it's needed or you need. So teacher will identify from your writings and give feedback for your further improvement. So with this note, the lesson is over. Goodbye.